to remove error which may occur during installation of Windows. Error is Windows could not configure one or more system component to install Windows. Restart the computer and then restart the installation. No need to press OK. Let's follow my steps. Steps is first type Shift plus F10, type regedit, then browse this location. It's H key local machine, system setup, status, child compilation, on right. I will show you how. Type Shift F10, it will take a minute. Shift F10, now command prompt is open. Type regedit, you will see registry edit is open. Now search the location H key local machine, then system, then setup, then status, then child completion. Setup exe value is 1. Change is to 3 by double click on it. 3. Okay. Now fine. Exit. Now value will change to 3. Now close the registry edit. Also closed. Click OK. It may be restart. It will take some time. I'm just skip this video. As you can see on the screen, error is removed. Just skip. Error removed. Installation is complete. If you found my video is helpful, then like us, subscribe us and share our video. Thank you.
Yeah.